Carburetor's done. It's back together. Now the next time you see it, will be installed on the car and it will be running. Before I actually do get this carburetor installed, I'm going to go ahead and clean this area up down in here. Got a lot of dirt and debris, so I really want to try to get it cleaned up. You can kind of see all this brown right in through here. Definitely want to get that cleaned up before I put it in together. Got the engine intake manifold closed off, so we know this debris falls in there.
I spray the top of the entire engine while the carburetor is off to clean the oil and dirt. The gaskets on the spacer cannot be replaced, so just inspect it to make sure there are no cracks. If it looks good, go ahead and reuse it.
Daddy.
Hi, Brayden.
What are you doing? Does that work now? Did you try to put it in?
I'm trying to.
But what's wrong?
My back hurts from being bent over.
Here's this one. Here it comes. Well, Father! Come back!
It really helps to put all the cables in the right place.
Daddy? Daddy? This monster truck went in the puddle and in the street. It went under the van. I don't want that to happen to you ever again. So you try.
I have this in the wrong place because this part right down here, there's a piece down in here that I'm trying to get to. Actually supposed to be up there. It's what caused those rub marks right there. Caused those marks right there. I need to get that up above it. So now I got to take this off, get it out of the way, so I can put it in the right place.
After about 30 minutes, I finally am able to get that cable attached and able to assemble the rest of the cables and vacuum lines on the carburetor to get it installed. After everything is installed, I prime the fuel system to check for leaks and also to check the level of the float. The first one is sunk. That's not good. I should be able to fire up the vehicle, but I will need to adjust it. The second one is good.
Moment of truth time. Battery charger's got all the lights on. It just fully charged the battery. So now we're going to get in the car and see where we can do it.
But I don't. What goes on the 8 on?
The 8 won't turn on until it's in a different mode. We're not using it
I
right
don't
now.
want to hear the room. Did it start? Oh, hi-ho. Oh, hi-ho. Oh, hi-ho. Dun, dun, dun.
The battery is really bad and cannot be recharged. I fire up another vehicle and try to jump it with that battery as well. Finally, I decided to pull the good battery out of my truck and add a little carb cleaner to help it fire up to see if it'll run.
Well, it's time to do some more serious diagnosis. Did some diagnosis before. Wasn't getting any fuel. I sprayed carburetor cleaner, engine fired up and ran. Did the same thing tonight. Wouldn't want to fire up. Thought it was going to because it sputtered and fired like it was going to run. It needed more battery charge to try to crank it over again. Then I added the carburetor cleaner and it fired right back off. So I'm gonna have to try this again.
It will run. It will run.